This meet's gonna be cool, man. We got Oliver's DIY 4x4 conversion. I believe it's Quigley based. We got a bunch of action vans. We got a bunch of Well-Techs. I have a Well-Tech. It doesn't matter to me which lift kit you have. Lifted Van Meet November 2025. Let me know in the comment section if you want to participate, and I'll give you the details. I canceled this meet 2 months ago, and the first person to tell me don't cancel the meet is my girlfriend Brooke. She told me, I've seen you work so hard to grow this and you're just gonna cancel it and give the foundation to someone else. And then a bunch of you guys messaged me, left me comments saying, yo dude, don't stop doing these. One guy even said, hey, I just got my van, don't stop doing these lifted van meets. So I'm gonna do it differently this year. I want to make sure only good people show up to this. So let me start off by giving some shout outs here. Shout out to my buddy Oliver Noble Horton. I'm going to share his van right here and pin his channel in the comment section. So this is pretty cool. My buddy Ladder and Light Bar Ryan. I got the ladder and he recreated this light bar. He was sitting on a 4x4 build. He had the parts. He was sitting on the build for like 2 or 3 years. I have an interview with them, so I'll put the interview here, right here. I'll put the interview right here. And we were just talking about why he went with an action van suspension lift kit. He was just sitting on the sideline for 3 years, and he said, you know what, let me get my van lifted and just have fun already. Oliver, he shows up to the March lifted van meet, and he actually bought all of Ryan's 4x4 conversion parts, and now his van is lifted. I don't think it's hooked up to 4-wheel drive yet. Subscribe to Oliver. He'll tell you all the details, what's going on with his van. I believe it's Quigley based, the parts. So check them out. Noble Horton. The other guy I want to shout out is the reason why I'm going out in November. I wanted to go out anyway. Van meet or not, I was going out. I love this time of year, but my buddy Jeff, I've known him for 15 or 16 years from a previous YouTube life. We kind of got out of touch, and then he saw a video where I'm at a rest area and I'm showing traffic. I said, you know what, I'm gonna hang out in my van until traffic's gone. And he said, he's a traveling nurse, so he told me, you know what, man, that makes sense. Like, I haven't heard from this guy for like years and years, but he said, I want a van now because of you. So he picked up a van like a year and a half ago, but it was a lemon. He got it at a Ford dealership, and the floor was rotted out. So the dealer bought it back, and I think he told me like he was gonna give up on lifted vans, and then he saw Big Kahuna van, Lyndon's van at the November meet, Lyndon's sick medical lifted van, and I believe that's what sparked him to want to do it again. So Jeff, here's his van, stock. It's a Lyndon's van's longer brother. I won't say bigger because Lyndon's van's already lifted, but now Jeff got a lift kit. Here it is. So Jeff, he's ready to roll, man. So I said, you know what, Jeff, me and you, man, let's just hang out. But then you guys started talking to me. You guys convinced me to start doing these lifted van meets again. It's going to be good people. So yeah, Jeff got the Action Van Suspension Ultimate Lift. So here's the deal. I've always told you guys about Action Van Suspension. I think their 5-inch lift is such a great deal. But a lot of you have been spending the extra money lately to go with the Ultimate kit. So let me know in the comment section, why did you go with the Ultimate lift? Chico and the van, Roy, I'm always going to invite you. So you're always going to be invited, man. Roy, he got the Ultimate lift. Ryan got the Ultimate lift. Joey's Fort got the Ultimate lift. And my buddy Jeff got the Ultimate lift. So why did you guys shell out that extra money? I think Jeff did it because he would have avoided core charge. He avoided core charge going with the Ultimate lift. Since the radius arm on the Ultimate lift is custom, you don't need to send the original radius arms back. So the Action Van lift's either a modified stock radius arm or a custom radius arm. So I believe that's one of the reasons why Jeff got the Ultimate lift. And I believe shipping was like $380 to Texas, from San Clemente to Texas. But this meet's gonna be cool, man. We got Oliver's DIY 4x4 conversion. I believe it's Quigley based. We got a bunch of action vans. We got a bunch of Well-Techs. I have a Well-Tech. It doesn't matter to me which lift kit you have. Like I've shared it with you guys before. Sportsmobile did a Sportsmobile only meet. There's this company, I believe they're called like Van Jamboree or something like that. You have to buy a sportsmobile from them to participate in their meets, and you still got to pay like $600. It's crazy. I don't care what lift kit you have. I don't care if your van's stock. So like I said, we might have a few stock vans. There's going to be probably a couple spacer lifted vans. Action Van Suspension and Well-Tech, they're the most represented companies. I'll always give Action Van and Well-Tech their flowers, man. They give you that 4x4 look for a fraction of the price, and I think a lot of 4x4 guys resent us for, you know, having the imposter 4x4 look. You know, every time I see a 4x4 guy, I don't think one has waved back at me in the wild. Like, I have 4x4 friends on YouTube and Instagram, but in the wild, I always try to wave at them and they ignore me. They're like, look at this cheapskate with a 2-wheel drive lift kit. But yeah, for the most part, it's Action Van and Well-Tech that represents most of the lifted vans in my meets. But it's cool to see 4x4s. Don, if Don is watching this, man, I got a new phone, so I lost your number. So Ryan, man, tell the other Ryan, San Diego Ryan, tell Don about this video. Don has a U-Joint 4x4 ambulance, and his ambulance was actually featured on U-Joint's website. So it's all about cool people with cool vans. Some of you might roll stock forever, some might go spacer, some of you might go with the 2-wheel drive lift kit. My buddy Oliver, 4x4 conversion. Don has the U-Joint. So it's just going to be cool vans. I want this to be a cool meet with no drama, no egos, just good people. I want to show my buddy Jeff a good time. He's coming all the way down from Texas, man. So we're going to do the Slab City, Salton Sea, Anza Loop. I'm going to show him all the cool off-roading spots, all the cool spots you could sleep at. So anyone who participates in this is going to be cool, man. It's going to be nothing but good people, no drama this time around, no egos, just good vibes. Shout out to Stefan and Michelle. Those two is one of the main reasons why I do these lifted van meets. I need to be around good, happy, positive people in my life. You know, I've been depressed the last 2 years, so being around positive people is good for my soul, man. Shout out to Mark in Arizona. He can't make it this year. I'll try to make it out to Arizona in 2026. I need to visit a couple of you in Arizona. And shout out to Scott and Wendy in Arizona. I hope you guys can make this one. Hopefully the government shutdown ends soon so you can make this meet. I'm really looking forward to this one, man. It's gonna be some really cool people with some sick vans. Here's my van. This is what I'm gonna live out of for a couple of days. Nothing special. Fridge, sofa bed, and see that ottoman right there? That's an ottoman, right? I forgot. I'm gonna pull this out and make this section for my cat Gray Kid. She had a stroke January 15 and she's still around. Looks like she's gonna make this meet. She's a miracle cat. So yeah, I'm gonna take that ottoman out and use that whole section for her so she's comfortable during this meet. I don't have a beauty van, so when I accidentally sort of back up into a tree, it's all right. I don't care. I'm not gonna lose sleep over it. Oh yeah, these fenders were made by Campos. Look at that, wide body fenders. I need to repaint them. I need to repaint this in the hood, and I want to put the Ford letters in the Raptor grille, so I'm gonna paint this black, put a bug guard over it to hide the emblem even more, and finally put the Ford letters in. I think it looks really good. And then this is the ORW original Baja Eliminator light bar. That's just the AC condensation. But yeah, Ryan recreated these and made these ladders. Just saw something that makes our lifted vans look small. Dang! Go big or go home. I'm going home now. I'm hungry. Lifted van still a monster. Looking right over the Durango. Shout out to Miles. He's also in Arizona. Lots of good people in Arizona. I should move to Arizona.